Hello from Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublette, Illinois, and we're looking at a 2022 Quailridge 39ASL. This is a special trailer. It's got some really fine features, and I'm going to give you a quick tour, and it's 4K video, so you shouldn't miss nothing. It's a Quailridge Loft by Forest River Park Models, Berkshire Hathaway country. So looking around it, it's tan windows and door package. It's got the clay siding and trim. It's actually a pretty good looking trailer. It's got the auxiliary air. It's got the extra tall loft, outside water spigot, and it takes a 50 amp electric service. Triple axles. We've got it plugged in here so you can check it out. Again, this is a Forest River Park model, and it's a Berkshire Hathaway company. Quailridge by Forest River. This is unit number 12329. This is September 2nd, 2021.